I want to go all the way back. We've been studying the Toyota production system now for a few months, and I just want to cover the basics here. Today's word is Kaizen, which is Japanese for really any improvement whatsoever, but we're trying to focus on constant improvement all the time. And it really doesn't matter where it takes place. We just always want to be striving to be a little bit better, a little bit faster, a little bit higher quality, a little bit safer, all that kind of stuff. So today's challenge for you guys is going to be to go and find something in your space that you guys can take ownership of and improve just a little bit. Tomorrow, we'll see what you guys come up with. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. We've been doing this retail sign business online for about the last year and a half now, and you know, it's running great, but it's not really what I want to do with this business. I really want to turn into a full-time fabrication shop. I mean, you know, the signs are cool, but it's not really where we're headed. We really want to get into this handrail business, and construction is going crazy here in the Nashville area. So I got my good buddy Dan to come work with me, and this is his specialty, is handrail. So I'm really trusting him a lot, and gonna take a lot of his advice on this job while we learn exactly how to do it and get efficient at it. So it's pretty exciting because it's a new line of business for us, and it also means new equipment and new skills that we have to build. I'm just really looking forward to the opportunity of nailing this one and getting in the handrail business. Dan, you remember that job we went and measured out down in Franklin a couple weeks ago?
Oh, the handrail, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So they went ahead and made their deposit, and they're ready to get rolling on this.
Right.
I just want to go through the design real quick, show you what they approved, and just kind of make sure we don't have any issues before we get rolling on this, all right?
Okay.
This is all 1.5 inch tube, and then we're going to do 1x2 up top. That'll meet the ADA requirement for a grab rail.
Okay.
And then we're going to fill in with all these horizontal pickets for like a nice contemporary look here. And I'm thinking square right here, but I know round is a possibility. What are you thinking?
I say we go with square. They kind of had that industrial kind of sharp edge look going.
Yeah, it was a little more modern, I think, is what they're trying to hit. So, okay, I'll order up some square ones, and we'll get cruising on this, buddy.
All right, man.
All right, thanks, Tommy.
Yeah. Hey, Adam. We got some problems, man.
What's going on, dude?
This saw is all gummed up. That aluminum job.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get a different blade or a different saw. We gotta do something.
All right, let's go take a look at it, man.
All right, so we did that aluminum job the other day.
Yeah, that big sign job?
Yeah, and now we got aluminum stuck in this abrasive blade. So we gotta get something.
I mean,
right?
What does that mean?
Well, it's taking forever to cut this steel for this handrail. And we got a lot of miters on this job. We got a lot of cuts. A lot of stuff to cut, and it's taking forever. We're going to be here for a week just cutting parts.
All right, man. All right. You know what? I saw a new saw down at the welding supply. Let me go grab it real quick, and we'll see if that fixes this problem. Because, you know, I see what you're talking about, dude. It's not going to work.
Cool. Thanks, man.
All right. I'll be right back, okay? Just find something exciting to do.
All right.
2 hours later.
Hey, Dan!
Yeah.
How's this grab you? See what this thing does.
All right, let's see. Dude.
That was insane. All right. This is the business. You good?
I think so.
All right. I'm getting back to work, homie.
All right, man.
All right, you know what? Let's go see how the boys are doing. What's up, Dan? How's this thing going?
It's going good. You want some Kaizen? How's this grab you?
Yeah?
Yeah, look at this.
Dude, no more laying out pickets?
No more individually measuring them. No more of that.
Dude, this is dope. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Brat! High-speed pickets, man. This is awesome.
Yeah, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
How's that grab you, Bob?
Oh, I feel fully grabbed right now. All right, guys. Dan and Heartless have been working on this handrail all week. They ran into a few little issues, and we've got the powder coater scheduled to come pick up the handrail right now so that we can keep our schedule, and just a little bit behind. So I'm gonna head out there and give the guys a hand and see if we can get this thing buttoned up. This is the final phase of the project. It's only QC at this point. All the real work is done, and we're just looking for any mistakes that we made, anything we missed, cleaning up weld berries, making it all nice and smooth to the touch, and turn it into a finished product instead of raw steel. So we're almost there, guys. All the hard work we did back at the shop totally paid off. This install went super smooth. The contractor was happy. We got to deliver it a few days ahead of schedule. The customer really liked the look, and I actually really am happy with the look. I think, you know, the nice contemporary lines kind of complement the standing seam on the roof, and most importantly, the contractor's already hooked us up with another 160 foot of handrail on another job, and that's really what this is all about. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe down below because we're going to be dropping a new video of Maker Table Metal Shop every week. Merry Christmas.